What are we even looking at here? I mean, with so little to go on, where do you even start? Well, like any good investigation, we need to look for more evidence. And lucky for us, there is one more crucial piece of data.
And this is it. The full title of the YouTube video, it reads, Mini Tractor Engine. Who needs #toys, #engine, #tractor? Okay, all of a sudden our weird little one-letter mystery has a name, it has some context. This right here is the key that's gonna help us unlock the whole thing.
All right, so let's put on our detective hats. We're gonna break this title down piece by piece and see if we can figure out what is going on. Every single part of this, every word, every character, it's a clue.
Okay, let's look at the evidence. First, the object, a mini tractor engine. Pretty straightforward. The genre, it's tagged for us, #toys. And the other tags give us even more context, #engine and #tractor. We even know who made it, a channel called SY Nicola. But it's that question, right there in the middle, that really stands out, doesn't it? Who needs it? Now, those hashtags, they're not just there for fun. You probably already know this, but they're super important for how stuff gets organized online. They're basically telling the platform's algorithm, and us, exactly what this video is. It's a toy, it's an engine, it's a tractor. Boom. Simple as that.
So our initial analysis basically confirms what we're looking at. Our mysterious letter C is just the sound from a video of a little functional toy tractor engine. So we've solved the what. But now the title is nudging us toward a way more interesting question. And this is where things get really interesting. We've kind of shifted gears here. We get what the video is, but that title is flat out asking us to think about its purpose.